guys, Andy here. I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. That's your vibe. I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I have my Ipsy glam bag for February. I know we're a month late, but like I said in my Ipsy extra, this actually came the day that I filmed that. So I ordered these super late in the month of February. March is already on its way, but yeah. So I'm unboxing February 1st because that's how months work. If you don't know anything about Ipsy, this is the bag. You get a different bag every month, and this was February's. It's like a snakeskin, which I think this is super cute. I don't need any more little bags, but I might keep this one. I might put this in my little giveaway drawer. But Ipsy currently for March is $14 a month plus $1.99 handling fee. For April, it goes up $1. It'll be $15 a month. For 5 sample size beauty products, guaranteed. And you do get to make one choice product on the 20-something-th of the month. Your account will tell you the exact day, but it's the 20th something of the month. I do have one product outside of the bag that we will go over first, but I'm looking for my card because you do always get a card. Welcome to Ipsy. Beauty is more fun here. This is the original. So on the back, it just tells you how to build your bag. Some brands soon coming. Gives you your QR code to take you straight to the app, and then it just goes over all the products. It doesn't give a theme. Oh, okay. Well, I have all the products here, so don't need that. But like I said, I had one product outside of my bag that didn't make it in the bag, so this is the first item that we will go over. And this is and I also didn't get to make any choices for this bag in particular, because when you re-sign up or sign up for the first time, they just go based off your beauty quiz. So I did get to make choices for March, which I took screenshots of choice for my Ipsy Extra, but I forgot to take a screenshot of choice for my Ipsy Original. I'm such a bad YouTuber. I'm getting there. I'm trying to be better about taking screenshots of things like that so I can put them in the video, but I digress. I didn't get to make any choices for this bag, but I'm not too mad about the bag. I think I'm gonna use everything except one item. But this is the Bisha, the Essential Finishing Mist. The full size is 100 mils for $56, which is wild. I would never spend $56 on a mist. This is 30 mils, so we're looking at $16.80 for this little guy, which is wild. This better be like the best mist in the world, because I would never spend that much on a mist. But it says set it and forget it. The rice extract infused mist helps lock in your look while keeping skin hydrated and fresh. It's a feather light formula that leaves your complexion smooth, comfortable, and naturally radiant, never sticky or tight, which all sounds amazing. I do want to see if there's a scent. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like hair care. Let's look at the mist. Ooh, that is fine. Feels nice. I love the color. I'm excited to use it. I just would never pay the money to purchase this. This is gonna give me like 4 uses max. And for $16.80, that's wildly outrageous. But it'll probably be beautiful and wonderful, and I'm probably going to love it. But I just would never, ever, never purchase a mist that expensive. Next, we have from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Black Cherry Cleansing Balm. And this is actually their travel size, so this retails for $19, which isn't terrible. Elemis is expensive, so it's 20 grams or 0.7 ounces. But this isn't bad. It says melt away makeup and stress with this luxurious cleansing balm infused with cherry extract and the signature Pro Collagen Complex. It helps dissolve away impurities while leaving your skin soft, hydrated, and radiant. all sounds amazing. Juicy black cherry scent makes every cleanse feel indulgent. This is what it looks like on the inside. And I do have to say, it does smell like cherries. Like, even without digging my fingers in there. Because usually with a cleansing balm, once you've dug into it, that releases any scent that's in the cleansing balm, that releases it further. But I can really smell the cherry. Which is nice, because I will say, as much as I like the Elemis cleansing balm, because I've used the original, and I've used the rose, and the cleansing balm itself is really nice, but the scents are horrible. Like, the scent on the original stinks. And the rose one smells like roses, which, hate. So I'm excited for this one because I think I'm going to really love it because I love cherries. So, and I think for Valentine's Day, like this, the color of this, I think the bag was really well done. What else do we got in here? Ooh, we got a box. We got a long box that doesn't want to come out. This is from Beauty Vault. This is their eyeliner in the shade purple. Just in the shade purple. This is full size. And this retails for $18, which is pretty great. Not gonna lie. Add instant color and confidence to your look with this creamy, vibrant eyeliner. It glides on smoothly for bold, smudge-resistant definition that lasts. Enriched with vitamin E and helps keep skin comfortable while delivering high-impact pigment in just one swipe. So that is what she looks like, just like a gel eyeliner. All right, so let's give this guy a swatch. So it's dark, but it went on nice. It glided on. It was gel. It's got a hint of like sheen to it, but it's not shimmery. I will have to try it in my waterline and see if I like it. If not, I will be able to pass it on. Let me get that off before that sets on my hand. All right, let's move on. What's next? The one product that I think I'm going to throw in my giveaway drawer. This is from Silky, and this is from Sleeky, and this is their Silky leave-in conditioner. God, the name. Sleeky Silky. It's a cute little package, and it feels nice. So the full size is 250 mils for $22, which is a huge leave-in conditioner for pretty cheap. This is 20 mils, so this is only $1.80. This is pretty much a throwaway item, but I like the component of it. I think it's nice for a leave-in. At least you can reseal it. It says hydrate, smooth, and repair your strands with this weightless leave-in conditioner. It's infused with jojoba oil and aloe extract to help fight frizz, strengthen damaged hair, and boost shine without leaving behind any residue or buildup. So, as you see, I have like no hair, so I don't really need a leave-in conditioner. And Ian just doesn't use products. I try to get him to use products, and unless I put them in, unless I put them in his hair after he takes a shower, he's just not going to use products like this. So it'd be easier for me to just throw this in my giveaway drawer. And last but not least, the last item in my bag is another full-size product. So I got 2 full-size, a travel size, and then 2 actual minis, which is not bad. This is from Kokie. This is the Maxed Out Mascara in Jet Black, and this retails for $8. Not super expensive, but still, I don't have a mascara currently, so we are going to open this. This Jet Black Mascara delivers serious volume and length with every swipe. The oversized wand, packed with enhanced bristles, grabs every lash to build bold, clump-free drama that lasts all day. Oh my God. This thing is huge. That's what she said. But my goodness, when they said oversized wand, they meant it. Ugh. Smells like mascara. Some mascaras smell good, but this one it honestly smells like alcohol. I don't want to put any on my lashes right now because I like how my look is, but 6-month shelf life. This wand is so big. But I will definitely get to using this right away because I don't have a mascara, so I was happy to get this. My bag value with everything is $63.60, which is pretty good, honestly. That's probably the best bag I've had in a while, at least that I can remember. Still debating on whether or not I want to keep this bag. It's nothing special, but it's cute. So, not a bad bag. Like I said, I'm going to use everything except this little leave-in, but the leave-in was $1.80, so could care less about it. It's probably a really good product. I've heard good things about the brand, but I just don't need it, so not going to use it. I think I'm most excited about the mist, even though I dogged on it just a little bit. It's just the price. These Bisha products, I feel like they're overinflated in price a little bit, but I'm excited. I love mists. I'm currently using the All Nighter Extra Glow, which when my friend sent it to me, it came without the cap, which bothers the ever-loving piss out of me, but it still works just fine. And I would say, if I had to gander, I'm about halfway through it from feeling, but I could take weight, but I don't care that much. But yeah, this guy will give me like 3 to 4 uses, and that would be all. But I'm excited to see how I feel about all these products. If you've used any of them, let me know. Otherwise, that is going to do it for this February unboxing. I will be very excited to show you what I got for March. And that's going to do it. So I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.